A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. In this tutorial I'd like to show you how to make a cord. It's easy and it's really great for beginners. So I've made a few cords here. So all we're going to be doing is making a chain and then slip stitching our way across the chain, and the thickness will depend on the ply of wool that you're using and the size of crochet hook that you're using. Obviously the thinner the ply of wool and the smaller the size crochet hook, the smaller your cord will be. So I've made one here with a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, and it's quite a bit bigger than this one that I made with a 5 millimeter crochet hook, and this one was made with a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. The length of cord would you just chain the number of chains you want for the length of the cord that you want. So without further ado, I'll just show you. So we're going to start off with a slip knot, and for this tutorial I'm using a 5 millimeter crochet hook and just some 8-ply acrylic yarn. So I'm going to chain 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have my 15 chain. I'm just going to make an extra chain for the turning chain. So my cord will be approximately this length. So we're just going to be slip stitching across to the end of the chain that we've made. And the way we're going to do it, if you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3 loops. So we're going to be making a slip stitch underneath the top 2 loops. So just there, we make a slip stitch. And we do the same into the next chain. Underneath the top 2 chain, we make a slip stitch. Underneath the top 2 chain, we make a slip stitch. And you can see your cord starting to take shape. So just underneath these top 2 loops, we make a slip stitch. And we just keep going across. If you're wanting to make a cord for, say, a baby bonnet, then you would probably use a smaller hook with a smaller ply wool. So it isn't too big. So we're just slip stitching underneath these top 2 loops of the chain. And it gives it quite a nice sturdy sort of look about it. So we slip stitch underneath these top 2 chain and slip stitch into the last top 2 loops of the last chain. And what we're going to do is, I've finished making my little cord, just yarn over hook, pull through, and we're just going to snip the yarn off. And we just pull it through. And to finish off, we're just going to tie it, just make a knot like that, and we have our cord. and you can just take your tapestry needle and just sew the ends in down the cord. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.